friends. I'm going to do a little bit of math fact review, and I'm going to do it with addition. Now remember that when we add, our answers should be getting bigger because we're putting things together. The problems that I'm going to put on the board today are the ones that we should be able to do as best we can without using our fingers to help us or without drawing circles to help us. They're the ones that we should be able to look at, to read in our head, and just to know what the answer is. We practice them a lot in our classroom, and I just want to make sure that you're still practicing them while you're at your homes because we worked so hard to learn our addition facts. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to write the problem on the board. I really don't even think we need to practice saying it out loud. Maybe what I'll do is for the first couple of them, I will say the whole equation, but I want you to just try to say the answer faster than what I do after I write it, okay? So watch me write it on the board. In your head, you're reading it. Remember that we call this guy the plus sign, and he's the one who's telling us that we need to take our two groups and we need to put them together to get a bigger number. Okay, so as I'm writing the equation on the board in your head, you can be reading them. If you're at home, you can be reading them even out loud, but remember our goal is really to just to say the answer without having to read the whole equation. Okay, so we'll do the first couple ones where we read it, and then I'm going to kind of stop doing it, and I just want to see if you can beat me with saying the answer to the addition problem. Okay, so here we go. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 2 plus 0 equals 2. Okay, so now when I do this, that was just to kind of help you to remember what it was that we had been practicing in our classroom. From now on, I'm going to just write it, and your only job is to try to say the answer faster than me. Mrs. Rose is not going to read the equation out loud. I'm only going to say the answer after I give you a couple seconds to think about it in your brains. Okay, so your goal is to try to go faster than me. Here we go. 5. 3. 5. 4. 4. 3. 1. 2. 4. 5. And we'll do one more. 5. Nice job. I hope that you were able to get those answers faster than me. If you weren't, if you were having a little bit of trouble because it's been a little bit since we've practiced this in the classroom, watch this video a couple of times. And remember, our goal is to try to do it without having to use our fingers. But of course, if you are having trouble remembering what 3 plus 2 equals, make sure that you're holding up 3 fingers on one hand, 2 on the other really quickly, and you put them together and you try to count as quickly as you can to get that answer. Okay, the goal again is to try to just be able to say the answer, but if you need to practice just to get your brains back to thinking about addition, make sure that you do use your fingers to start. Okay, nice job reviewing your math facts with me, your addition math facts up to 5. I can't wait to do subtraction with you next.